Okay, so VidCon just ended.
Uh-huh.
That's a thing that just happened.
Yeah.
And I bought a sewing machine to make that gigantic octopus, and so I want to get my like full worth out of it. So I kind of want to turn the couch that you're sitting on right now into a giant hot dog. So I'm gonna make a couch cover.
Okay.
After making that monstrosity, I'm gonna make a giant hot dog, and it's gonna be great. I'm gonna make a couch cover, and then you guys are just gonna be sitting in like a giant hot dog bun when you play video games from now on.
Nice. Okay.
Cool. Let's go to Walmart. I've come for you. I actually don't like mustard, so I just got a little bit. So you can see the color that I'm going for. Hot dog for reference. Hello, Joanne's my old friend. I finished sewing the ketchup and the mustard, and the hot dog is almost done. Because of the way that real hot dogs scrunch up at the end, I have to do this part by hand. Okay, so essentially what I think I'm gonna have to do with this is that I'm just gonna make some really big stitches like this. I don't even know if you can see that way. When I pull it, it's gonna just scrunch up. VidCon this year was insane. I feel like I barely had a moment to breathe. I think I had 4 business meetings total, and then a meet and greet, a creator chat, and a panel. I should probably throw out a couple shout outs real quick. Thank you, Caitlin, my dear friend, for giving me this shirt and for also helping manage my booth. A big thank you to all of my volunteers and people who helped keep my booth from sinking into the sea. Honestly, the booth probably wouldn't have even happened if it wasn't for Hannah, so I definitely owe her a gift basket of some kind. I'm gonna say that being a featured creator wasn't necessarily better or worse than being an invited guest. It just had different pros and cons. When you're a featured creator, brands tend to see you as more important, so they give you a ton of stuff. I don't make the most money in the world, so I'm not opposed to free stuff. On the other hand, you do have a lot of responsibilities, fun responsibilities, but also nerves. Also, please go subscribe to Hannah, Crystal, David, and Sultan Sketches, because they made sure that I did not die. But also just Sultan Sketches, man, like, freaking A+ dude. And I finally got to meet all of the, like, art YouTubers in human flesh 3D. Flesh. They were very cool. Usually I come out of these conventions feeling like revigorated and stuff, like I can do more now, and I'm excited to do YouTube. But I think I'm generally becoming very jaded, mainly because I've just been doing this for so long. YouTube is awesome. This is like an awesome job. I'm sitting here sewing a giant hot dog, and I like that. But also, I'm currently unhappy with my content. I like having an art channel and making fun stuff, but I don't think my channel's gone far enough. I miss the weird side of YouTube. YouTube has tried very hard to hide it because it's not very professional looking, but personally, I love weird YouTube, and I want to bring that shit back. I want to become the weird side of YouTube. It's time for me to live up to my username because I am tired of my content and I just want more, man. I want to do more. Life is too short not to turn your couch into a giant hot dog. I want to turn this channel into something bigger. I want to do more bigger, more giant octopi and more giant hot dogs. So please try to stick with me. We're going on a weird journey together. I am your captain here on the SS Weird, and you are my lovely little eggs. And we're gonna have a grand old time. I will do my best not to lead you astray. Say that this is probably good enough and hope that it has been reinforced to the point where none of the seams will rip. Because if one thread rips in this, there is a solid chance that the entire hot dog will become unraveled. Like a belly button horror story. Also, I'm so happy with the color of this fabric. This is like the perfect amount of like shiny, red-brown, weird meat color. The inside is super shiny, but the other side is like a little bit matte, which makes it look a bit more meaty. Oh, that's nasty. I love it. So, for this, I've planned 8 pillows for the hot dog. I'm hoping that's going to be enough, but I have a sneaking suspicion that I underestimated given how much fabric I actually ended up using. I got pretty close with the octopus. Originally, I guessed 30 pillows, and it ended up being 35. I could have gotten away with 34, but I added an extra one from my bed. Oh, that's a hot dog. I don't know why I'm enjoying sewing so much right now, but it's really awesome. So I don't know how tight I want to make this hot dog. I want it to be pretty dang stuffed. We stand a firm hot dog. Sewing together the couch is going to be the most annoying part of this because that actually has to fit around something that already exists. With something like this, I can kind of guess and make it up as I go along. I can't even get this on camera. Okay, I might just go enlist some help. It's a hot dog. I feel like this is pretty undeniably a hot dog. Like if I showed this to someone, they'd be like, yeah, it's clearly a hot dog.
Very, very hot dog.
I feel like what's probably gonna happen is that people are gonna throw this on top of it and just sit and use these as like actual pillows, which is gonna be really funny to watch. You guys are gonna be in a hot dog bun. Just playing video games from now on. That's gonna be like my favorite thing ever.
Dream.
Hey, come here. Come here. Come on, man. There you go. Come on. Come on, be a hot dog. Now get through the ketchup. Here, how about now? There you go.
Oh, good sausage.
Yes.
Good sausage.
Come on, man.
Good sausage.
Hot dog. Here, you put down right
Wow,
there.
what a bunch of hot
Sausage.
dogs.
Look at those hot dogs.
Yeah, mustard on sausage, yeah.
This is what I'm glad this is my life. I'm glad that I do this for a living. What do you think, Ben? Are you a hot dog? Are you my hot dog? Hot dog boy? Oh, this is exactly what I want them on. She's really happy about the condiments.
Oh, you like ketchup.
I've never seen them like this well behaved.
Here, put
Is
hot
this your
dogs
true
there.
calling, my dogs? Put the hot dog with dogs?
Hot dog with
Hot
dogs.
dog with dogs.
Ben,
They're cool with it.
like, you
Yeah,
okay, my dog?
she's doing the same thing.
It's
She's
so like okay, this is life now.
Good
Oh, it's
dogs.
perfect.
dogs.
Oh, this is like just the right amount of dog. You're so well behaved.
Oh, look, and then
Thank
it's-
you.
it's
Is your
Bunch of
favorite?
dog hair on my hot dog.
Oh no.
Send it back. Hi, Ben.
You're doing so good. Look at you.
She's cozy. She's about this. This is dog color for her.
This is the
Like
best.
a real couch.
Grab that. Let me throw it up here. There. See, this is what I imagine.
Nice.
This is how I imagine the couch will actually be used. But it is still a hot dog.
Yes.
That's not bad.
How do you rate it out of 1 to hot dog?
On a scale of
I'd give it like 2 stars on the Yelp review.
on a scale of couch to hot dog, I rate it somewhere in between couch and hot dog.
There's a fair bit of dog hair in it. Oh, come on, Hannah will love it.
Come on,
Come
Wormling.
be a hot dog.
Yep.
Oh, good,
Good
boy.
worm,
Good
good
hot dog boy. There you go. Oh, now you're part of the hot dog. How is it, Worm?
Kidding. He's very surprised to know.
Oh,
you go.
boy.
He's dripping on
Oh,
everything.
he's nose dripping right onto the bread.
It's disgusting.
Look at that nose strip. Nasty boy. Alright, here, help me lift this back up. I'm happy with this. Alright. I'm done. I'm done! Okay!
Good dog.
Deep down, all the way down.
I can't deep
Deep
dab.
down.
It's really
Deep down.
hard.